13 Tips for Making Beautiful Eyelashes. What is important for making beautiful lashes is mascara, strong lashes, and a technique to curl beautifully so that the lashes do not come off. It is said that the number of people who are born with long and beautifully curled lashes is not so large. Therefore, the beauty industry sells various products for making beautiful eyelashes. Many businesses such as eyelash extensions and eyelash perms that provide services that make eyelashes look longer have also appeared, helping to instantly and beautifully change women. However, these products and services have the disadvantage of being expensive. Many people spend a fair amount of money each month to keep their beautiful eyelashes. In addition, there are products that have an adverse effect on eyelashes and the body in the long run. But don't worry. There is a natural way to curl your lashes beautifully without the use of chemicals or expensive services. It will take some time for the results to appear, but it is recommended for those who aim to be a cute and attractive women. In this video, we will introduce 13 tips for making beautifully curled eyelashes that you want to add to your daily care. 1. Tips for instantly increasing the volume of your eyelashes. If you want to increase the volume of your eyelashes in a blink of an eye, apply mascara over and then sprinkle a little baby powder. When the baby powder is completely dry, apply mascara again to calm the baby powder and naturally increase the volume of your lashes. 2. Tips for creating the ideal volume and angle using a brush. To increase the volume of your lashes, use the brush horizontally to raise all your lashes. If you want your lashes to look longer, use the brush vertically. 3. Tips for using a special comb for eyelashes. The comb for eyelashes is an indispensable item for keeping your eyelashes clean. When you buy the attached comb attached to the tip of mascara or the comb for eyelashes at a cosmetics store and makeup, be sure to use this comb exclusively for eyelashes. It not only prepares the lashes but also prevents lumps between the lashes. 4. Tips for using coconut oil. Moisturize and strengthen your lashes with coconut oil every night before bedtime. It is effective to put a clean brush in coconut oil and apply the oil, and then apply a thin layer of oil from the root to the tip of the eyelashes. 5. Tips for making mascara last longer. If the mascara is lumpy and prone to lumps, it will not be a beautiful lash. To make the mascara last longer and smoother from the moment you put it on, put the mascara container in hot water. 6. Tips for using 2 types of mascara. If you use 2 types of mascara properly, you will get beautiful eyelashes. After applying the basic type of mascara, finish with waterproof mascara. 7. Tips for promoting eyelash growth with green tea. Green tea is a food that is effective in growing eyelashes naturally for a long time. Not only does it prevent your lashes from falling out, but the antioxidants in green tea protect your lashes from environmental pollutants. 8. Tips for diluting mascara. If you get lumpy when you apply mascara, add a few drops of makeup remover to the mascara, dilute the mascara, and shake it well to make the mascara look new. 9. Tips for making beautiful eyelashes with a spoon. If you apply mascara with the spoon behind your lashes, the mascara will not stick to your eyelids. 10. Tips for applying mascara at the same time as raising eyelashes with an eyelash curler. If you don't have time and want to make firm, thick lashes, use an eyelash curler to raise your lashes and apply your favorite mascara the moment you remove the eyelash curler. 11. Tips for heating and using eyelash curler. If you can't get the ideal curler with the eyelash curler, warm the eyelash curler with a hair dryer, check the temperature of the eyelash curler, and then raise the eyelashes with the eyelash curler. Be careful not to overheat the eyelash curler. 12. Tips for using vitamin E oil. Applying a thin layer of vitamin E oil, which promotes healthy growth of the lashes, to the lashes will reduce the damage caused by free radicals and strengthen the lashes. Soak vitamin E oil in a clean mascara brush and apply it to your lashes every night before bedtime. 13. Tips for using olive oil as a makeup remover. It is recommended to use olive oil instead, as makeup removers contain chemicals that are harmful to your health. Olive oil is an organic product that cleanly removes difficult to remove cosmetics such as mascara and eyeliner.